Welcome back. Thanks a lot for staying with us. Some big breaking developments now coming in, and this is as far as the Jiah Khan suicide case is concerned. The special CBI court has given its verdict. It is a big relief for Sooraj Pancholi, who in fact has been acquitted, which essentially means he's been found not guilty. This is related to the suicide case of actress Jiah Khan that happened in 2013. What we're also now understanding is the CBI court in fact has given an option to Rabia Khan, who's the mother of Jiah Khan, saying that she in fact can appeal against the order before the higher court. Initial details suggesting that the prosecution evidence were lacking, and essentially that has led to the acquittal of Sooraj Pancholi in the Jiah Khan suicide case. This was a special CBI court that was hearing this case. The verdict has now come out. Sooraj Pancholi has been acquitted. We in fact had a short while ago brought out Jiah Khan's mother, Rabia Khan's appeal that we had accessed as well. But the verdict that has now come in is that Sooraj Pancholi in fact has been acquitted. Remember, Jiah Khan was found dead at her house in Juhu, Mumbai on the 3rd of June in 2013. A 6-page letter purportedly written by the 25-year-old actress, which was given to the police by Jiah Khan's family. A week later, you had Acquitted Pancholi and others who were arrested on charges of abetment to suicide. Let's also now bring in our colleague Yesha, who's been tracking these developments. Yesha, on what basis has this verdict come that Sooraj Pancholi has been acquitted, not found guilty?
Special CBI court has pronounced the order wherein he is making paucity of evidence.
We seem to be losing that audio with Yesha. We'll just try and re-establish that. Our colleague Vinaya Deshpande also now joining us on the broadcast. Vinaya, help us understand what happened in the court. On what basis have they reached the conclusion that Sooraj Pancholi was not guilty?
Well, we've seen that the court has just decided about the acquittal of Sooraj Pancholi. In fact, it has said that the evidence with respect to the case is insufficient in order to give any conviction in this matter. Remember, he was booked for abetment of suicide in a case that has seen a very long litigation. In fact, the case has been seeing back and forth. We have seen Rabia Khan just today also submitted an application in the same matter, but the court has said that there is insufficient evidence against Sooraj Pancholi, and thereby, after observing this, it has said that there will be an acquittal in the case. The detailed order obviously will be dictated in a while, and we will be able to access the reasons as to why in this case we have seen an acquittal. But what we can say is that the police had initially booked Sooraj Pancholi after there was a death by suicide case. In fact, we had seen that after a demand by Rabia Khan as well, this case was handed over to the central agency, which also said that there was no murder case in this. This was an abetment to suicide case, which was again probed. There was a letter that was written by Jiah Khan in this matter, which was the cognizance of which was taken by the investigating agencies in it, whereby Jiah Khan had said that she had felt both physically as well as emotionally tortured and traumatized by Sooraj Pancholi. It is a case which has seen litigation and arguments go on for almost over 10 years, and that is why this court case finally seeing the closure is being seen as an important step. Now we have seen that beyond the court as well, there has been a consistent kind of statements that were being given, not just by Rabia Khan, who has been continuously pursuing the matter for years at end, but also by Sooraj Pancholi's mother, who had claimed that that the case should finally end.